Begin by settling into a comfortable seated or lying position, allowing your body to relax. If it feels right, softly close your eyes and gently bring your awareness inward. Observe your breath effortlessly flowing, nothing forced, just natural and relaxed. Let go of any need to control your breathing. Simply allow each inhale and exhale to unfold freely. Imagine each breath as a delicious, nourishing sip of air, filling your body with ease and vitality. Take a moment to appreciate the life-giving gift of this breath right here and now. Focus on the points where your body touches the surface beneath you, feeling grounded, anchored in this present moment. Sense your muscles gradually becoming heavy and relaxed, especially in your face, shoulders, and any other areas that might hold tension. Express gratitude to your body. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all you do. Begin to become aware of the space around you. It may be bright, calm, or simply neutral. And visualize a large, radiant orb of pure white light forming in the space around you. Feel this luminous sphere moving closer, gently enfolding you as you rest in its center, secure in a space filled only with love. In this sacred space, trust only love can enter. Allow your imagination to sense this love and know that in this space, all that exists is highest, purest, vibrational energy. Feel yourself filling up with these loving vibrations. Breathe in this beautiful white light, and as you exhale, relax even more deeply. Affirm silently, I am aligned with the greatest love that exists. And imagine this truth being contained within a glowing sphere of light, radiating warmth and strength throughout your entire being. Relax deeply into this feeling, asking yourself, what would it take to stay consciously connected to this love all day? Know that within you there's an innate ability to access this high vibration, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Repeat inwardly, I am love. I am light. I am supported by love and light always. Feel gratitude for your existence, for all that you are and all that unfolds in your life. Recognize the presence of love in all experiences, past, present, and future, and tap into that love now. Take a deep, nourishing breath and hold it at the top, luxuriating in the positive energy filling you. Exhale slowly with a long, full sigh, releasing any tension or doubts. Feel yourself more relaxed and supported, carrying this loving energy into your everyday life. Gradually bring your awareness back to the space around you, feeling the present moment deeply. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning refreshed, glowing, and connected to this higher vibration. I'm Rose. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, Namaste.